Hi friends, back again with another video. In this week's video we're gonna make homemade shrimp pasta. This is not the first time I'm doing this. This is actually my second time trying this, so let's get into it. I've already cooked my pasta. So I cooked it, then I rinsed it in some cold water, and I put it back on the stove just to heat a bit with some butter, and yeah, just let it simmer. Then I get the shrimps. I washed and clean and lime them and make sure that they are fresh and smelling good before I start cooking. So I've presented some seasoning, like we have the herbs, the mixed herbs, chili seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. Right. As I was saying, you can put any seasoning that you want on your shrimp. However you decide to season your shrimps, that is totally up to you. Me is a seasoning person. I love my food to season properly. I love when I eat, I could taste all the seasoning I put inside there. So you can stop the video and see what I use to season my shrimps, and you could do that as well, but it's totally up to you however you decide to season your shrimp. So after I've put all the seasoning that I need and that is required, I add another lime to it, and I just leave the lime juice inside. It's optional, it's totally up to you. That's how I want to do my shrimp, and that's how I learned back in the Caribbean, so it's totally up to you, whatever you prefer. Mind you, this is my little homemade shrimp pasta, so yeah. And then after that I just cut up some garlic and some onions, and then I'm gonna get the pot with some olive oil, and we're gonna fry the shrimps inside, probably like for some, probably not for not more than a minute or two maybe, but just until it's nice and golden brown. And then you're gonna take them out and put them in a plate by themselves until when you're ready to make the cheese sauce. After you finish frying the shrimps, you do not wash the pan. You get some butter. Mind you, everything that's prepared here is just measured by just hand. I didn't use any measuring cup, no nothing. Just was measured by hand, because that's how I learned in the Caribbean. I don't know how else anybody has learned this, but this is just a rough thing of what I've done. So I put the onion in to salt it down with the oil, and then I put the garlic after, and I just let everything cook. You were supposed to put what's the thing, heavy cream, but I didn't have heavy cream. But however, I had coconut milk, so I used some coconut milk and a bit of milk that I had, and I just let that salt in the pan, and then I put my cheese, and I got my nice creamy cheese cheese sauce to go with the pasta and to go with the shrimp. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please feel free to stop anywhere and take notes of whatever I have put inside the pasta, how I season it, and how I go about cooking it. Mind you, I'm not a professional, and I got a bit of help from YouTube. I tune into is it Rachel channel, and I just follow her steps and I do whatever she did. Oh, and I add a bit of wine in it as well to top it off. So yeah, I got help. I am just sharing this with my YouTube peeps, how I done my homemade shrimp pasta. It turned out lovely. I loved it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye.